It's Wheezy, fresh out of prison. Weapon possession. Now I gotta play with video game, guns. Talking Call of Duty, Black Ops. Shoot 'em.
I'm always staying up late to play the best game around. An Activision cash cow made by Treyarch. Call of Duty, Call of Duty,
Yeah.
Black Ops, Black Ops. I'm playing Black Ops. They thought they were pretty great. I shot them down to the ground. They play this game like a clown. Ha ha. Call of Duty, Call of Duty.
And I'ma shoot you.
Black Ops,
Cause I'm a sniper.
Black Ops.
Shoot 'em.
I'm alive again. It's a video game, I can die, respawn, and come back again. Warning, grenades will blow up as I begin to pull out the pin. You're a little bit slow in your toast. This kill streak is kicking in. I give an education with this domination, so sick that you quit and you pack it in. Looks like I'm gonna win again. It's a sin, they're kins on the internet. Look at these players, how I shoot them. So why the fuck would I join up when I mute them? They call me a cheat, can't believe that I could so thoroughly beat them. Man, I control this whole entire stage. And I heard that Kanye toasted me. Grab my soda and chips, think about that whipping while I'm dipping. Yeah, the match was tight, but I'm about to play the greatest game of all time. So you might want to put on a flak jacket tonight and hit record. My score can't be ignored. Upload it on YouTube to study the pro. I can't wait for the page to update.
Yeah.
See me get as many kills as views tonight. It's an adrenaline rush to play the game with Lil Wayne. We beat Haley and Laney by 8 miles. Set fire to the mic and ignite my couch. Now I ain't got nowhere to sit down. Cold War, running on a quad-core PC. I pre-ordered, now I'm poor, but I got plenty of other copies. On the DS, PS3, 360, and Wii. On the scoreboard, I'm on the top. Ain't gonna drop while I flip over their Monopoly board. That means I just ruined that game. I'm off to play that zombie mode. This game is so good that you gotta play it, but I'm at it so much I can't prestige anymore. Will I never get sick of the shit? That's it. I don't hear you trash talking anymore. You'll never find me outside or at the store, cause my kill-death ratio's gonna soar. We're playing this worldwide, so let's go. Get an iPad and you better take note. And while you're at that, grab the fucking Call of Duty app. You gotta give the game props. Nothing but fun. I'll pop a shotgun to the chops. I'm playing Black Ops. I'm always staying up late to play the best game around. An Activision cash cow made by Treyarch. Call of Duty, Call of Duty, Black Ops, Black Ops. I'm playing Black Ops. They thought they were pretty great. I shot them down to the ground. They play this game like a clown.